Yo, what's good everyone? It's Marvin from mjo23dan.com. Today I have a package from StockX. Let's check it out. Alright, so releasing on November 10, 2018 for a price tag of $190, we have the Air Jordan 3 Chlorophyll. Alright, so it's been some time since I purchased on StockX, and this is what I got in the box. It shows the size, the colorway, the style, the condition, and then the purchase price. So you can see at the bottom there, I purchased this pair for $143.95. I did have a $20 coupon code, $13 shipping. My bid was $150. So yes, I did get the sneakers for under retail, and that is totally awesome. This is the other card that's inside the box. Thank you for the purchase and everything like that. Share your item on StockX. If you guys would like to purchase this pair on StockX for a really good price, I'll go ahead and drop a link down in the description, so go check it out. But let's check out the shoes. Alright, so the Chlorophyll Air Jordan 3 is inspired by this sneaker right here. This is the Nike Air Trainer 1. It was designed by none other than Tinker Hatfield, and it was a shoe that was worn by tennis player John McEnroe. The sneaker has white leather, green tones, gray nubuck, and black. Now you can see that this is the shoe that I've pretty much been wearing. This is a retro from 2012. I probably picked this up for like a good $60 back in the day. And based off the color that I see on the sneaker, you can see that there is just a little bit of similarity between the two. So you'll notice that on the Air Jordan 3 there is an eggshell type look on the midsole. It's just to make it look vintage. Not sure why Jordan Brand does this. Honestly, to me, I really feel that the more you wear your sneakers, the more it's going to be turning like this. So right off the bat, while it looks okay, if I'm going to be wearing the sneaker, I want it to naturally do this over time. You'll see on my 2012 pair that I don't have that yellowing on the midsole just yet. I do have it on the rubber outsole, but that's because I've been wearing the sneakers. As far as like the tone of the green is concerned, it looks like they've got it pretty close. So you can see like at the back of the tongue of the Air Jordan 3, the greens. I'm gonna have to check the color code on that. Actually, I can probably do that right now. So the color code on this is 100. And then the color code on this is 006. Sometimes Jordan Brand will release a sneaker and they'll put the same color that is on the box that is similar to what we've had in the past, say like infrared on the Air Jordan 6, but it's not the same shade of infrared. So that's why I looked at the color code first. So you can see there's chlorophyll on this, and then you have chlorophyll on the Trainer 1. As far as this sneaker is concerned, I posted up a teaser pic of me purchasing the sneakers from StockX on my Instagram, and based off the prices off StockX, it doesn't look like this is going to be a popular color. But since I have ties to the Air Trainer 1, as soon as I saw the photo of these and that they'd be releasing, I knew I was going to be getting a pair. But for $190, I don't think anybody really should be paying retail Honestly, the sneaker prices these days have just been ridiculous. I know they've pretty much been 190 for quite some time now, but I think it's time to revisit sneakers at decent prices. So if Jordan Brand's listening, I hope you reconsider pricing. I know we've seen like the Air Jordan Signature Series, like the 33s, go down in price by like 10 bucks, and it's just too expensive. You know, kids these days, I honestly, I don't know what to tell you guys. Like, when I was growing up, I was hustling hard for like sneakers, and in high school I was like selling candy bars to like friends in class. I would buy the candy bars in bulk and I'll sell them for like $1, or I'd save my lunch money and, you know, save up to buy sneakers that way. But I can't imagine like how kids have to go through loops just to like save up some money just to buy the sneakers that they like. So I understand like where you guys are coming from, and that's pretty much like how we hustled back then. But I mean, that's my personal story. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. But this is a very, very clean colorway to me. It's got the gray nubuck on the upper, gray back tab, the chlorophyll hits, white tongue, black eye stays, green eye stay, clean. And the inside is green too, so the air unit in there is green. Other than like the midsole color, that eggshell type, I probably could have done without, because it like doesn't match well with the white leather and the eggshell color of the midsole there. On the insole you have a green insole with a black Jumpman. The back of the tongue is that chlorophyll green. The top of the tongue, or the front of the tongue, is that chlorophyll green. Just a clean sneaker overall. So anyways, what do you guys think about the Air Jordan 3 chlorophyll? It's $190. Do you think I paid a fair price? $143.95. I think I did a pretty good job on it. Oh yeah, also to note, it came with a green, or the chlorophyll, hang tag. And that's pretty much it. Jordan Brand has been doing an excellent job as far as the Air Jordan 3 is concerned. I've been happy with my Tinkers, my black cements, the JTHs, the Flyknit 3s, and all the sorts. So kudos to Jordan Brand for, you know, dedicating this year to the Air Jordan 3. Awesome job. Again guys, let me know down in the comments section what you think. Are you copping a pair? Also check the link in the description if you guys are interested. If you guys are going to be purchasing off StockX, use my link down below in the description. It helps me out just a little bit. And also, while you're there, visit my website at www.mjo23dan.com. I still have shirts for sale. They're 20 bucks a piece. Support me, and I'll continue pumping out videos for you guys. Anyways, this is the Air Jordan 3 chlorophyll review. I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.